How to fix Instagram loading slow. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Instagram loading slow or some lagging and flickering. So if you are facing this problem, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. So to confirm that, you'll have to just open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. So simply open the Play Store, and now from here you'll have to go with the search field and type for Instagram. Alright, so after you type Instagram in the search field, you'll be able to update the Instagram to its latest version from here. So make sure you have updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. So after that you'll have to just back from here, and now from here you'll have to open the device setting on your device. So simply open the settings, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like apps. So simply open the app setting. Now from here in the app setting you'll have to just scroll down and find the app Instagram. So simply you have to scroll down and find the app Instagram, and after you find the Instagram app you'll have to just open the app. Alright, so from the app info of Instagram you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like storage. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to just tap on this clear data option just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so tap on OK, and now from here after clearing the data of Instagram app you'll be able to fix the problem like Instagram loading slow. So this is the process to fix that problem. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.